In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin Moomoo. This is a straightforward walkthrough you can follow step by step, and it's meant for education only. First, let's make sure buying Bitcoin is actually available in your account. Moomoo supports crypto trading in selected regions only. For example, it's available in places like the United States and Singapore, but not in every country, and it may not be available in the Philippines. The quickest way to check is to look for a crypto tab in the app. If you don't see it, crypto trading isn't enabled for your region, and you won't be able to buy Bitcoin directly through Moomoo. If you do see crypto, you're ready to go. Start by activating your crypto trading permissions. Open the Moomoo app, go to Accounts, then More, then Trading Permissions. Find the option for crypto and check the box to enable it. Follow the prompts to activate. This usually takes just a few minutes, and you'll get a confirmation once it's ready. Next, deposit funds into your crypto account. From Accounts, select Cash Transfer. Choose the source of funds and make sure you're transferring into the crypto account specifically, not a separate brokerage account. Complete the transfer and wait for the balance to appear. Processing times can vary slightly depending on the method you use, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Now it's time to find Bitcoin. In the search bar, type BTC or simply Bitcoin and open the Bitcoin chart page. This is where you can review the live price and recent movements before placing an order. When you're ready, tap Trade, then choose Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase. You can set it in USD or in BTC, whichever is easier for you. You'll also choose an order type. A market order buys at the current available price and usually fills right away. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. It will only execute if the market reaches that price. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Check the amount, the order type, and the displayed fees. Moomoo typically charges around a 0.49% transaction fee, and crypto trading is available 24/7 on supported accounts. When it looks good, tap Buy to confirm. That's it. You now own Bitcoin in Moomoo. As a quick recap, confirm crypto is available, activate permissions, deposit funds, search for Bitcoin, place your buy order, and confirm. On supported accounts, you can also explore over 50 other cryptocurrencies, trade anytime, and monitor your positions right from the app.